Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can play Counter-Strike Global Offensive on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to download and play CSGO on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video so you can't find Counter-Strike Global Offensive on the Steam store, and you need to go to the link if you want to play the game. So just click onto the link from my description and then come here and then click play now. And when you click play now, it will open up the Steam store on your computer and then it will start downloading the game for you. Here it is. As you can see, it's downloading the game for me now. I already have CS2 installed and now it's downloading CSGO. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to download CSGO on your computer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.